guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your body features on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to the timeline, go to enhance, and if you scroll to the bottom one, there is a body one, so you're just going to select it. Some of them uses the pro feature, like these wide shoulders, slim arms, beautiful neck. You can make yourself taller here, make yourself slimmer here, and also just the waist and I guess the head as well, and smooth out the skin and brighten it as well here. And that's basically it. Again, there's other stuff, but you'll need the pro feature for it. But I can show you here some arms, wider shoulders. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. You can also make it smaller, I guess. But yeah, again, don't think you need it, but just in case you do want to, just going to press redo to delete everything, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.